Mold development. Precision stamping. First-tier manufacturer of precision parts for precision injection molding. We have created a high-end brand in the field of precision products, a high-tech enterprise, JDE. JDE has a modern factory covering an area of more than 20,000 square meters. All kinds of precision equipment and testing equipment are available. And built an experienced senior engineer R&D team. And a team of quality assurance engineers with excellent skills. Successfully applied for a number of utility model patents. We have strong ability to provide customers with customized services for line and terminal board products. And we can guarantee prompt delivery. Help customers reduce production costs and improve terminal performance. JDE self-developed mold forms double-layer metal parts in one go. Photovoltaic connector.